So, you might be asking yourself, Nick, did you really just set this whole thing up to get a good establishing shot? And the answer is, yes sir, I did. Also, you are stacked on top of a shit ton of books just so I can get this shot right now. But with that being said, I'm going to be doing a photo shoot today of a couple that I met last year. Since you guys seem to like my behind the scenes videos of my photo shoots and stuff, I figured why not bring you along to this one? It should be a fun ride. First things first, let's get the fuck out of bed since I've been here for too damn long and I've been awake for an hour already. Alright, so more information on this photo shoot. So I'm taking pictures today of Ashley and Mike. I've taken pictures with them before, like a year ago. I thought it would be the perfect opportunity to meet up with them again because if you guys don't already know, you know where this is going. I have a photography and video production company called Agrin Zone Visuals, and obviously I want to be taking pictures of more couples so that way I get more couples since it's Valentine's Day. Are we on the same wavelength? I think we're on the same wavelength. Okay. But I'm not taking pictures of them till later in the day at around like 2 to 3. So in the meantime, I'm going to show you guys my camera setup and how I would typically, you know, get myself prepared for a photo shoot. Alright, so, okay, come on. Come on, y'all already know that camera transition was smooth as hell. I know, you know, I'm good at what I do. So this is my prized possession, this is my camera bag. Everything that I'm bringing to the shoot, I'm carrying in this thing. So let's show you guys what's inside. So obviously you can't see the camera because that's what I'm recording on right now. But you know, let's switch over to the phone view real quick. This is my camera, it's a Canon 80D. I have the 18 to 55 millimeter lens attached to it. Alongside with my camera, I have my Pixel microphone. I used to have a Rode, and I honestly am gonna get another Rode because I fucking miss it so much. You're probably wondering what happened to the Rode. I broke it. I literally had it on my chair or something. I didn't see it was there, and I sat on it. My ass literally destroyed it. I wish I could say I was joking, I'm not, so I have to buy another one because I miss it. Besides my microphone, I have this little external light. It's not too powerful, but it's powerful enough. I have this other lens right here as well. I have the 75 to 300 millimeter. I have this little, I forgot what it's called honestly, but I know it's supposed to keep the wind away from the audio. This is actually meant for my Rode, which is why I really need to get my Rode back. Finally, I have my battery pack. I always bring it just in case. I have a few memory cards in the little slots, and I also have my business card. So that is what's in my camera bag. That's what I'm bringing on the shoot. And I'm gonna get changed actually because I'm still in my sweatpants right now. So I have this warm ass green bomber jacket. I just have regular jeans, and I have these beautiful iconic Nikes that I low-key should have thrown out a year ago. So with that being said, I'm going to drive to the location, and the next clip you see, I'm going to be with the models. So I'm here at the location, and I'm here with
Ashley,
Mike. So I'm just doing a couple shoot for them. We're finishing up now actually. We're gonna be doing it at these two buildings. We already did some over there, and I'm gonna bring you guys along so you guys can see what I do on a shoot. That's good. I like how you are now, except just put your arm like on that right side of his chest. Yeah, like that. And then lean in together. And yeah, up to that rock over there. Sit over there, like right beside her. And then just wrap your arm around her. Perfect. Yeah, that should be fine. The hell is that?
right?
Yeah. What is that, the leader?
You got that right.
Yeah.
Just for the records.
That should be good. Both come around to me. Hey everybody, so I am back at home. I just wrapped up the shoot. You guys saw that little film. I really liked it. It was supposed to be kind of like a more vintage vibe because, you know, I feel like they just give off that kind of energy. But I do want to go over how I edit my photos. I mean, obviously every photo shoot is different, but I want to give you guys a little edit tutorial thing. As you can see right now, I am in Lightroom. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna screen record so that way you guys can get a clear image and you guys don't have to see my dusty ass screen because she's dirty. She is dirty. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do to this image is I'm gonna turn down the highlights and the whites. They're a little overexposed, so just want to get all their features up. So what I do is I always go for vibrance to kind of get the vibe, and as you can see, they're good, but the background looks green. I don't know, it looks like a piss green yellow after you have like 7 Mountain Dews or a shot of tequila. So we're just gonna move that hue all the way down. Then we're going to raise the blue just because I really like that. And I think we're gonna move the orange hue down a little bit more to around like 14. We're gonna do the orange luminance to around 6, just so it doesn't look like oversaturated. Why is my fucking computer overheating? So this is the main like kind of thing that I've been doing to most of these pictures for this specific photo shoot. Actually I do it for a lot of other photo shoots as well, but this one is like prevalent. I turn the blue hue down to around, I'm gonna say like around 12, and then raise the saturation a tiny bit. And that kind of gives like an older vibe as well. As you can see from the video that I just showed, that's kind of the vibe that we're going for. Turn the exposure to like a good 30. Alright, that's pissing me off. 30. What the fuck? Just what? No. What? Okay, that's better. Maybe turn the temperature a little more to the yellow. Not that much. I think we got it. I think we got it. This is kind of the main, like the main settings that I've been using throughout this entire photo shoot. So yeah, I am going to edit all of these photos. By the time this video is uploaded, all of them will be uploaded to my website. So if you guys want to check out all of the pictures that I took and also check out the short film that I did for this couple, make sure to go to my website down below, www.agrenzonevisuals.com. It's in the description again. And if you guys are looking for any couple or any video or photo shoot inquiries, just hit me up, hit my email up, and yeah, I don't know if this is gonna be the intro or not, but you know, something will happen. You'll find out. I didn't know how to act in the last clip, but this is the outro. I really hope you guys enjoyed that little behind the scenes of my photo shoot. Let me know if you guys want more of that. That's kind of the direction that this channel is going to. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe for more content. I will see you guys in the next video, and have a great day.